Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, November 8th, 2024, we're focusing on Intel Corporation, or Intel, a semiconductor giant that's been making waves in the market. Recent headlines have highlighted Intel's CEO Pat Gelsinger's purchase of Intel shares prior to Election Day, signaling his confidence in the company's future. Analysts are also bullish on Intel due to its dominant position in the PC and data center markets, areas expected to see continued growth. However, the semiconductor industry is facing headwinds, including global economic uncertainty and fierce competition from rivals like AMD and NVIDIA. Intel's strategy of investing heavily in manufacturing and foundry services, coupled with its efforts to leverage the CHIPS Act funding, has positioned the company for potential long-term gains. Let's dive into the chart data to gain a deeper understanding of INTC's recent performance and potential future direction. Examining the one-day chart, we can see that Intel has exhibited a strong upward trend over the past few months, with multiple green candlesticks indicating positive price action. This bullish sentiment is likely driven by the positive news surrounding the company's strategy and financial performance. The recent surge in price has led to a breakout above a key resistance level around $38, which could further fuel the upward momentum. It's important to note that while the price has climbed significantly, there are potential support levels at $36 and $34 that could act as a buffer in case of a short-term correction. To gain a more detailed perspective on INTC's intraday movements, let's switch to the one-hour chart. The one-hour chart showcases a more volatile price action, with both green and red candlesticks indicating periods of buying and selling pressure. However, the overall trend remains positive, with the price consistently breaking above resistance levels and finding support at key levels. We can see that the recent price action has created a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that the bullish momentum is likely to continue. However, it's crucial to remain aware of potential resistance levels at $25 and $26, which could trigger a short-term pullback. For a closer look at the most recent price action, let's narrow our focus to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart provides a granular view of the intraday fluctuations, allowing us to identify potential trends and reversals in real time. The recent price action has exhibited a strong bullish momentum, with a series of green candlesticks breaking through resistance levels. However, there are signs of a potential reversal, with the price starting to pull back from its recent highs. This pullback could be attributed to profit-taking, but it's also important to monitor the news for any potential catalysts that could influence the price. The 15-minute chart also reveals key support and resistance levels that could play a role in shaping the immediate future of Intel. For instance, the price is currently testing the support level at $24, which could provide a floor for the stock if the pullback continues. On the other hand, the resistance level at $25 could present a significant obstacle for the price to overcome if the bulls attempt to regain control. In conclusion, while the recent price action has been bullish, it's essential to monitor both the news and the charts to understand the underlying trends and potential reversals. The one-day chart indicates a strong upward trend, but it's important to be aware of potential support levels at $36 and $34 in case of a correction. The one-hour chart reveals a more volatile price action, but the overall trend remains positive, with higher highs and higher lows. However, resistance levels at $25 and $26 could trigger a short-term pullback. The 15-minute chart showcases a recent bullish momentum, but there are signs of a potential reversal. Key support and resistance levels are at $24 and $25, respectively, which could influence the immediate price action. It's crucial to stay informed about the news and events that could impact INTC's trajectory, as these factors can significantly influence the price. By combining news analysis with technical chart analysis, traders and investors can make more informed decisions regarding their Intel positions. Remember, this is just an analysis based on the available information, and the market is constantly evolving. Always conduct your own research and manage your risk responsibly.